on, Gus. Oh, Gus.
Yay, Gus. Look. Hey, look. How about the moon Gus? Why?
Hey, Gus is sus.
Yeah, Gus is sus. Why is Gus sus? Among Gus is sus. Because this is
Donald?
I'm sorry? Because look, see this trout is in the tracks? So he just gets to pull the saw and retrieve on the tracks. You can't get it out of the tracks. You just have to know that. So he'll go down in the tracks.
What's that?
So this is what it was like back in the day. Down Main Street.
Get ready for the Gus. Get ready for Gus. Yay, Gus. I'm in Gus. And Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. So you do Gus? Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Mom, we want to go to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse once.
What? Oh, yeah, I think that's
Take me to the castle. Hello. Oh, I've never done this, guys.
That's a classic.
I'm not saying on this trolley.
No, it slips over that way.
I just want to do it slow.
Horses don't go quite as fast as 13 or 12. He can go faster than people, but he's pulling all of us. Right?
Wait, Mom, are we going through there?
Or Tomorrowland is that way.
And we're going to Tomorrowland. Right?
I love Tomorrowland, right?
Going through the castle? Oh, Lord.
Yeah, little girl.
All right, well, good morning, everybody. Welcome aboard the Horse-Drawn Streetcar. We are the Dapper Dans. We are Main Street's very own barbershop quartet. My name is Tyler. I sing lead. This is Frank singing bass. Jim singing baritone. Drew singing tenor. And of course, we're joined by our pal Gus this morning. We're so excited to head down Main Street, USA with him. Actually, everybody say hi, Gus.
Hi, Gus.
Yeah, Gus would say hi back. He's a little hoarse. Yeah. Always goes well. Yeah. Okay. Well, we don't have to go all the way there. We're going to sing you a tune or two, and you know, it is Halloween time, fellas. What do you feel like singing? Maybe Sure. Yeah, why don't we sing about being in the good old Halloween time? In the good old Halloween time, in the good old Halloween time, strolling through the neighborhood, having a scary good time. You trick or treat on every street, it always standing candy line. It only comes but once a year, our good old Halloween time. In the good old Halloween time, in the good old Halloween time, strolling through the neighborhood, having a scary good time. You trick or treat on every street, it always standing candy line. It only comes but once a year, our good old Halloween time. In the good old Halloween time. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, hope you guys have another song. How about Candy Corn Baby? Oh, goodbye, my candy corny baby. Sierra, my old true love. I'm gonna disappear and leave you. Never to see you any, never gonna see you any. I'll buy my jack-lantern by myself and carve a smile upside down. Goodbye, Sarah, passing your pantry. Goodbye, my candy corny. Goodbye, my candy corny. Goodbye, my candy corny. We all fall for some girl that's never wish, some girl who's scratch our itch, some girl whose nose can twitch. Then we'll see her riding up on her broom in the moonlight. We're bewitched and old boys fell down and all. Bachelor days we then recall. Gumdrops, big moon pies, sweet jawbreakers, jumbo size. Sweet and dead kiss. Goodbye, my candy corny baby.